So, as you can see, I have my long-awaited Jeffree Star box. Wow, Jeffree Star box. That sounds really funny. Jeffree Star Mystery Box, and it's the Halloween edition. So he released 3 size boxes. I believe they came in Deluxe, Premium, and Supreme. I just know those names because they kind of sound like Taco Bell, and I know Jeffree Star likes Taco Bell, so yeah. Moving forward, this box has 8 items, and we don't know what 8 items there are inside. However, I was a little psycho, and I went on Twitter and YouTube, and I was a troll, and I Googled what items were similar, same, or if he repeated anything from his previous mystery box releases. And from what I can tell, people generally got the same 8 items, but I'm gonna unbox this and I'm gonna uncover the truth myself. So, first impression, this box right away, the print is amazing. I absolutely love the ghost emoji. It's insane. It kind of reminds me of Snapchat, so yeah. Let's open it. I should not face the blade towards me when I open a box. That would probably be the smart idea. Ugh. I've been at the range all day, so I'm a little tired. And don't mind my crusty hair. I've been in the sun all day. I've been on the range. Oh my gosh. Okay. Right away, there is the Jeffree Star Can't Relate shirt. I'm really happy about this. How cute is that? I can't wear this. No, I can wear it. What size? This is a medium? Did I put medium? Yeah. This is really cute. Should I put it on right now? Okay, I'm gonna put it on now. That's kind of cool. Okay, and I have my shirt on. I think everyone did this when they unboxed it. They just put the shirt on right away. But I think I'm gonna cut it into a crop because it's kind of long for me. Yeah. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna open this first. Oh. Okay, so I was trolling some people online, and a majority of the box receivers. That sounds so wrong. The majority of people who purchased this size box got the Goddess Skin Frost, but I got Frostbite. That is different. Okay, I'm kind of happy about that. I don't really use liquid highlighters, but I've seen a lot of people, there it is. I've seen a lot of people mix it with their foundation or their tanning lotion. So that's really cool. I feel like that'd be really cool for photo shoots. All right, moving on. Oh, I'm really excited about this. I'm so pumped. Shut up. This is literally me in a highlighter. It looks like gold camo. That is literally me. Hi. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow on the range. I'm so excited. Okay. Moving on. That is a different lip ammunition. Did everyone get this one? Oh wow. So I got, what is this? I think this is lip ammunition. Candy freeze. I got the candy freeze lip ammo. This is the glitter one. That's really cool. That's really cool. Not sure I'm gonna wear that, but probably I'll like top that on something. Huh. Okay, so now I feel a little bit better. I was watching a lot of YouTubers that opened their boxes and they got similar products. I'm not getting any of their products, which I'm really happy about. I got Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Pancetta. And actually, I just watched a YouTuber a year ago receive this in her mystery box. So that's really cool. Oh, wow. That is like a nice, rich red. That is really cool. Okay, really happy about that. Moving on, I got a gloss. The gloss in the shade Candy Drip. I'm really happy. Okay, the last YouTuber I saw got Sky High, so I'm really happy I got this shade. This is really cool. I'm really happy I'm getting not the same shades as everyone else. And I'm so gonna use this shade. Wow, that is really cute. I got this color. It's like a baby pink. That's really fun to probably top on other people's, some of my current glosses, because I generally use like a warm or nude tone. I love that. All right. I trolled hard and I knew this was coming and I'm freaking pumped. Mini breaker. Oh. So I already have blood sugar from Jeffree Star and I really like it. I use a lot of the tones every day. I'm really excited to incorporate these tones. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm so happy with this. I cannot wait to use this. This is so cool. And I love how compact it is. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really have the opportunity to travel with blood sugar when I went to LA. So I'm gonna be really happy that I can like travel with this and I can probably just put this in my backpack or my purse every day. I also have blood sugar here just in comparison how big they are. God, I love that. I love his detail in his eyeshadows. That is amazing. And this is what I've been looking forward to the whole release. My mirror! I want to stab myself. And I don't want to break a nail. Okay. Oh, this is so cool. Oh! I just want to do that. I have the white one here, and I love his mirrors. Oh my god, I match. Can you see that? That is so cool. I am really happy with this mystery box. I should have got the one with like 13 items, but they were sold out right away. I'm really pissed off about that. Ugh. Okay. Well, that concludes that mystery box unboxing, and I hope you like all the items. Please check out all my other videos and click like and subscribe if you want to see more. Wait, hold on. That didn't work out well. That was really cool.